Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and this is Sheila.
And this is Jennifer.
And today we're making a budget-friendly recipe for you. So if you're just joining us for the first time, welcome. And to all of our regular subscribers, we appreciate you being here. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like what we're doing today, because we like what we're doing today, and we're hoping you do too. So
it's budgety.
It's budgety. That's right. This is a budgety recipe. We decided we want to make something really simple, but yet everybody could afford it and you could feed your family.
And most of this you have in your pantry anyway.
Probably do. So this is a real simple recipe and we think you're going to enjoy it. And we're going to show you how right now. Okay, so we've got our medium bowl here, and the first thing we're going to do...
We're adding 2 boxes of Jiffy Corn Muffin Mix.
And I'm just going to do this according to the package instructions. Very simple, easy to make, and these are really cheap to buy.
Now here's the second one.
So 2 boxes of this. I'm just going to dump this in and mix it up.
More blended.
Yeah, get the little lumps out of there. And then, once we get that, I'm going to go ahead and add the eggs.
Now we're adding 2 eggs.
And
2/3 cup of milk.
Just going to pour this in, get this mixed together.
I love cornbread.
I do too. And some people like their cornbread, you know, sweet.
You can add a little bit of sugar if you want to.
So I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sugar.
If you like it any sweeter. If you don't, that's fine too.
I do. Well, some people like their cornbread sweet, and I do, so I'm going to try. This is optional though. You guys don't have to have the sugar if you don't want to, but I'm going to. So mix this together and let it sit for about 2 or 3 minutes.
Then spray a 9x13 baking dish with non-stick spray.
And then once we do that, we're going to take some parchment paper and we're going to line the bottom of this dish.
That sticks good when you put that spray in there first. That's awesome.
It does. It really helps it stay in place too, you know. And so once we do that, we're going to take our cornbread mixture and we're going to pour it in. And it doesn't look like there's a lot here, but now remember, this cornbread's going to rise and expand, so it will be plenty for this dish. So I'm going to get it out of here.
Yeah, scraping that bowl, Jen.
I'm working on it.
Now you're going to spread it evenly.
Mm-hmm.
I remember, it was funny. Gosh, it was so funny. Steve, he made a recipe that called for Jiffy Mix, and he had never done that before. So he opened it up, and then when he did, he's trying to get the bag out. Well, he couldn't get the bag out because he didn't know that they glue the bag into Jiffy Mix boxes.
I remember that. That's hilarious.
And he kept on and on trying to get it done and shake it out. It's in one of these recipes. Oh, we got over 400, so right now I don't even know which one it is. But
it might be the cornbread pudding. I'm not sure. I'll put the link above.
We laughed and laughed. He just left it in there.
All right, so then we're going to put it in the oven. We got our oven preheated to 400 degrees.
We'll bake that for 20 minutes. And so while that's in there, it's in the skillet,
on medium heat,
we have got some olive oil. And now comes the sweet onions.
Yes.
Our diced sweet onions. We love our onions.
We do. I love onions.
We could put onions in pancakes if we could.
No doubt. That's funny. We'll just cook these up a little bit here.
So we're sauteing these onions.
Then we're going to add 2 pounds of lean ground beef.
That's our little chopper here.
Get these chopped up. By the way, the link for this little chopper is down below the video, as all the things that we use in this recipe will be. Just get this browned up a little bit here.
Now 2 packets of chili seasoning.
And I'm just doing the packets to make this simple and quick for you guys. Now, if you want to make your own chili seasoning with your chili powder and cumin and garlic powder, etc., you can do that.
We want to get the lumps out of there really good.
Yeah, get the lumps out.
Chop it up good and brown up the meat.
Mm-hmm. It's starting to smell really good.
Then add some diced or crushed tomatoes.
Yeah, I couldn't find any crushed tomatoes at the store for some reason. They were out, so I ended up just getting diced, and diced is fine. If you like your chili a little bit more liquidy, you could add a little bit more or some tomato paste or sauce.
And stir that in really good. This smells really good.
And you could add chili beans or green chilies, whatever you like to have in your chili.
And add the second package of seasoning.
And we're gonna mix this in.
Yeah, clean that mess up, Jen.
I'm trying, I know I'm making a mess here. And we're just gonna let this simmer for a little bit.
Then remove that from the heat and then get the cornbread because it is done. Look at that.
Oh yeah, look, it's perfect. So we're just gonna take this out of the oven and place it here for about 10 minutes to cool a little bit. And then what we're gonna do is we are going to get, usually you use a tool that is about a ½ inch wide, but I looked at the bottom of my little whisk and it's got a loop-de-loo, I know.
I'm not going to use it. Yeah.
So I found an ice cream scoop, don't laugh, that has about the size hole that I want. We can poke the holes that we need.
We can get more stuff down in it.
Yeah, right here into the cornbread. And this will help, you know, these are wide enough that the chili will absorb in there. So don't laugh at my ice cream scoop now.
Now you got it.
And then I'm going to pour this right over the top and get it all in there. Nice and even.
Spread that out good.
Press it down into the holes.
Then comes our favorite part, cheese. We love the cheese.
We love it. We love cheese. Cheese, glorious cheese. All right, I'm breaking into song.
I don't know if we can have a cooking show without cheese or onions.
I know. That's true. We do like our cheese, don't we? If it's not cheesy, we're just not happy. And I'm using the Mexican blend shredded cheese. Get all that in there. And this is about 1.5 cups.
And we're going to place that back in the oven for 3 to 4 minutes until the cheese is melted.
I think it's done.
Ooh, can't wait to try that. Look at that.
Yum.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It's perfectly melted. It's ready to come out.
That
I'm
is
ready to
good.
try this. This looks delicious. I'll get my little spatula here and let's just start digging into this.
I like the way the parchment paper's in there, so it's an easy cleanup.
Well, and it makes it super easy to get out of here.
Yeah,
an
let's
option.
dig in. I want that piece right there. That
Okay.
one on the corner.
All right.
That one's
This
mine.
one right
Ooh,
here.
I like this.
Okay. I'm getting it for you.
Top it with sour cream.
Yes.
Yes.
And I chopped up.
Some green onions.
Yes.
Where's my fork?
I'm getting it. I'm getting
And
it.
as Steve would say,
Is this the best cornbread chili poke cake casserole? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red.
bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.